Welcome back. It's me, Jennifer. Hello, and I'm glad you decided to watch this video. Today, you're going to learn how to make this special gift wrapping bag for Christmas and what you should put in it. If you're interested in this, keep watching. Alright, I have the Shop Pastor's Wife Digi-Print on Etsy, and this right here is in my shop. This is a gift wrap bag. Let me get these things put away so I don't keep running into them. Alright, we're going to cut out this. This is an envelope, and this envelope is great for sending a craft project to a friend or to a child or an acquaintance, or if you are a pastor's wife as well, to your ladies in the church. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to make this and hopefully give this out to my ladies in the church for a little surprise, kind of like a stocking. And I think they will like it. If not, they can give it away to someone special in their life as an extra little Christmas tidbit. Hope you've had a great Thanksgiving. I had a wonderful Thanksgiving with my family. We actually went to 3 different gatherings of family, and we had a wonderful time. Food, fellowship, laughing, all the great things for good memories. The kids got to know some of their cousins better, which is great. Cousins are the best. It's like they have to like you, they're your family. Oh, it's similar to that. Okay, there's the front. Now let me get the back. This right here is the back with the thumb hole. I'll try to put little directions on it so everybody knows what's what. And it's pretty self-explanatory. If you've done any crafting at all, and just put some glue on it, stick it together. Actually, those is of us that this is the first time they've ever made anything like this. Well, the directions are there. Hopefully I get this cut out right. May have messed it up a bit. So I can go back and fix it. Smooth it out. Now you could do this on cardstock and make a sturdier gift bag. Or even a file folder. We've got one of those hanging around, or I don't know, a cereal box. And another thing you can do is you can sew it together, make it more special. Like that. I think I want to put it on some cardstock. I'll be back. Okay, so I got my cardstock. I'm thinking that will look so much better with the red on there. So that's what I'm doing. If you had green, it would look good too. Now I'm going to get my glue. I'll set all these papers aside so we can just glue the one that we're working on. Let's press real good. Didn't do as good the first time around. Okay, now all this has to be glued onto cardstock, the whole thing. So I am going to glue it up. Don't like air holes and stuff. Okay, it does better if you glue the whole thing. I'm going to put it all the way down to the bottom, so I don't have to cut the bottom again. Should have done it all the way over to the side too, but it's already down. I don't want my glue drying. Okay, now I'm going to cut it out. I'm going to grab my larger scissors, I think, for most of it. I really don't care if a little bit of the red shows. I think it might look pretty. Give it a little edge. Well, it's the first time I put one of these together, so we'll learn about this project together. I designed it. A lot of times I put them together after I design them. With no, knowing what it's going to be like. So first for me and you. Alright, here's my front. I should have put a little bit of red down here, but I didn't. So I'll make up for putting a little bit here, and I think it'll show. And here we go with the back. That all the way again. And we're gluing all of this on to the cardstocks. That's why it's going all the way around. All right. And this time I'm leaving a little red showing. Try to hurry because I don't want all that stickiness. Oh, that's gonna be nice. Okay, now we just go around. Don't worry, I will cut around there. I just I like to go across sometimes because it makes it a faster cutout project. And then we're going to just go down to the bottom, go around here, and voila. I'm going to grab my other scissors and do the cutout. Okay. Now, another thing that can be done is to Mod Podge. I'm going to do Mod Podge on this one just to see. I don't know. I think I'm just going to leave it off because it's just going to make it a faster project. And it looks pretty the way it is. And so now I'm going to use glue around the edges. Let's see if this glue is going to work for me. Keep getting it clogged by the cat being missing. So let's see if it works at all. Here's some air. Here it comes. One moment. Okay, here it goes. Just covering the side and the bottom. I want to get a nice little stripe. Not too much, not too little. Because this is cardstock and it's going to need a little bit more to soak through. And grab me a baby wipe. You can use whatever wipes you like. I just grab some baby wipes. They're cheap. Trying to make those colors pop. I don't have my new printer yet. And I think putting a little water liquid in this case on there might make it pop. All this stuff off my mat. Looks better that way. Okay. Now there's the front. Let's try to do this color thing. It's making it pop good. I don't know if it'll stay, but looks good for a second anyway. All right. Now we will turn it over. Like, you're gonna put the name right here. I'm gonna fold it, see how it does. Oh yeah. Just fold it over. There's the name. Now I'm gonna clip it so I can make sure it gets together. Like so. My Dollar Tree clamps I love so much because they're soft and rubbery. then I'm going to show you what I'm going to put inside. It's my Christmas kit. Get it. Okay, so now we're on to loading our bag that we're making, and we're using the Christmas mini, vintage Christmas mini 1-inch mini journal, and I've got these two done. What we're going to do on this one is to show you how I'm doing it. Now there's like several of each thing, so if you fold right on something, it's not going to matter. But what I'm trying to do is avoid most of them and fold on the white spots. But like I said, there's plenty, and you can make double if you need to. If you want to add double pages to your recipient, but I guarantee you these will be fine because there's so many, and they'll have plenty. And just put it in here, but you might also want to add the link. The link is found in my description box, but I might go back and add it to one of these pages, and you don't have to do a thing then. I think I'll do that for you when I get the moment, and then you just put it in here. The link has a video of how to put it together, and as soon as I get done here, I will add that. Now, what you can do when you're done all this glowing is you can tuck it in like so. And then I can just untuck it, open it, like so. And there you have your little gift. Or you can glue it down if you want. So, whatever you decide. I'll let that finish gluing. So I don't want that to pop open. And I hope you had fun learning about another way to use my printables. This is going to be a fun thing for all my ladies. Hopefully they'll enjoy it. And I'm going to give it to the little girls too. So they'll have a blast making that or regifting. See you later. Bye-bye.